How to fix Telegram update problems. Telegram update stuck or won't install. Here's how to fix it. First, check if you have enough free storage on your device because insufficient space can block updates. Next, restart your phone to clear temporary glitches that might prevent updates. Go to your App Store or Play Store and try updating Telegram directly from there. If the update still won't install, try clearing the cache and data of your App Store or Play Store in the mobile setting. Also, temporarily disable any VPN or proxy you might be using because they can block update servers. As a last resort, uninstall Telegram and download the latest version fresh from the official App Store or from Telegram's website. Enable automatic updates for Telegram to avoid update issues in the future. What's your longest Telegram update wait? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.